Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. It's been over a week since I was able to come in my craft room and craft. I've been super busy. Work never stops for us. So, okay, I am going to do a haul, an HSN Crafter's Companion, um, the box that we get once a month. Uh, this is the Floral Decoupage Craft Kit box. So get that out of the way and show you what we get this month. I've had it for over a week. I hadn't had a chance to come in my craft room, and it sat outside in weather, which we didn't have rain when it was outside for like 3 days, but I didn't even touch it. So, um, but it makes 18 cards and it has 275 elements. I still say, even though I haven't used my boxes that much, my monthly boxes, they cost $24.95 and $5 shipping and handling. But I show these off because they sell them at Tuesday mornings, not every one of them, but they sell them at Tuesday mornings for $12.99. And I would buy every one of them there once again, except for I have one and I don't need two of everything. I'm a hoarder as it is. So I'm showing you, so if you're at Tuesday mornings and you see these boxes for $12.99, grab it. $12.99 as a birthday gift. Oh my God. $24.99 or $25 that I'm paying as a birthday gift is wonderful. So anyway, let's get inside. This is 275 elements. So we are going to get 19 dies, 22 stamps, 18 card blanks, 18 envelopes, 24 printed paper. Decoupage sheets is 48. Card pack 20. 100 pearls and 9 pieces of ribbon. So yeah, let's get started. I like buying off of HSN and I like my auto shipment. So here are the flat back pearls. They are a green, a lilac, and a pink this time. Here are the matching ribbon, and it is 3 different sizes. I haven't showed my boxes a lot, but here are the 3 different sizes. Ooh, I love that sage green. Isn't that beautiful? Lilac. That was the color of the girls' wedding dresses, that lilac, in my wedding when I got married. And that is not even my favorite color. So, but maybe it was back then. I don't remember. All right, we'll fix that later. Here are the stamps. Now the stamps match the dies, so that's very nice. Oh, and we have sentiments too. You're the best, with lots of love on your special day. Thinking of you. Happy birthday. Today is all about you. Cherish. All kinds. Girl, get, I don't know what that says. Just for you. Okay. All right. So remember I did a tutorial on the decoupage layering and how to use her layering decoupage. Well, here is another set of them. And like I said before, always keep an original, copy it on quality paper, scan it into your computer, and you will have this for the rest of your life that you can keep going back to this and layering. So what you do, and there is a tutorial, and I'll put that link down below so you understand. You take your die, and there's actually word dies on this too, but you take your die and you fit it. There's 3 different dies that would go to this rose, and you fit it and you cut it through your machine. Then you layer this one, then this one, and then that one. And you put foam dots or even leftover cardboard and all that kind of stuff, and you make a 3D decoupage embellishment. So that's how that works. It's very easy. It's fun to do. It kind of just takes your mind away from any problems that we're having. I do see that, like the other ones that I bought, these little tabs should have numbers on the back side of them, because this says A2, A3, and A1. So these little tabs will have numbers. And let's see what else. These are the card blanks. These are the envelopes. We got 3 different size card blanks and envelopes. Here is the pattern paper. So let's see what kind of pattern paper we have. I kind of now want to play with this, but I had an Easter die out that I need to do some Easter stuff. So yeah, I may keep this out and just play with it tomorrow maybe. Oh, I love the paper. It's a little bit heavier than writing paper. It's not real thick. It's not cardstock, but it is very much usable. But the patterns are gorgeous. See if I can show you better. Oh yeah, beautiful. I think, are those lilacs? I don't know what those purple flowers are. That's the question that I'm going to ask everyone. What is the color, or not the color, but what is this flower? I don't know. Okay, and then here is the colored cardstock that we get. I'm going to show this, and then I am going to craft for maybe a 2-hour span before everyone is asking for me to do something. So yeah, that's a lot. So I'm going to repackage all this up. I hope that you like this video, and I hope you can tell me what kind of flower that is. I hope you hit that bell, because I don't know when I'm going to make a video, and that way you know it when I know it. And I hope you subscribe. I hope everyone has a blessed, healthy, and safe day. There we go. That was fun. Bye, everybody. My links are down below, and the link for the decoupage how-to tutorial is down below also. Have a blessed day.